Yes, Paul the Pipe Guy back. Live from Rochester, New York, and we have two fraternal twin sisters. And you saw the pipes before, so here they are after. This one was the first one that I purchased. And oh yeah, look at that. She came out like glass, like brand new. This is the one I bought from Dave. Yeah, look at that briar. Look at that shine. So I put them on the Wheel of Fortune. Yeah. And they came out beautiful. The briar on this is just stunning. I wish you could see it in the light. We'll grab the flashlight and see if we can do something here. But here you go. Yeah. She's beautiful. Look at her. Yeah. And the other one. Yeah. Same thing. She turned out beautiful. They really need to be displayed in the sunlight. Yeah. So, polished them both up. Took about a half hour or so. And so that's what we have. Yeah. Two oval pipes. There we go. This is part 2 of polishing my pipes. Yeah. There we go. Paul the Pipe Guy. Live from Rochester, New York. Over and out. Hope you liked that.